is a bug. Before moving into exception handling, you should define
Okay.
bug. What is a bug? Bug is an error. Simply to say error.
Yes.
Bug is an error. But some other definition is there for error. Later on, I will give that. Or you can
Okay, sir.
simply say an error is a bug. Simply, right now you can call an error. What is an error? You can remember
Bugs. We
as
can
bug.
call it.
You can call bug as an error. Right.
Yes.
Now, what are the types of errors? Next important interview question, that one. What are the types of errors? Somebody
Types
may
of
ask you.
errors.
Daytime, you should know the types of errors. There are three types of errors altogether. First one can be called as compile time errors. Okay, compile time errors. Second one can be called as runtime errors.
Runtime error.
And the third category is
Exception
logical
logic
errors. Logical errors.
error.
So these three we have to define first of all. So
Yes, sir.
what are compile time errors? First we study this.
Yeah.
These are the errors detected by the compiler.
Yeah.
Okay, compiler.
Yes,
Compiler
sir.
means what is the name of the compiler?
Java C. Yeah.
JVM is not compiler. Java C. Java C is the
Yeah.
compiler name.
Yes,
So
sir.
it will detect. Java C detects this. Okay, it is
Yes,
going
sir.
to detect the compile time errors. And mainly majority of these errors are due to syntax and grammar mistakes. Okay, syntax
Yes, sir.
and grammar
Grammar
mistakes.
mistakes.
So, for example, I can tell you like if you miss a comma,
Missing a comma.
missing a semicolon,
Yeah.
otherwise a semicolon
Yes.
at the end of the statement.
Statement.
Or otherwise, so many such things like if you miss comma between a couple of variables,
Yes.
missing comma between variables, or something like that, spelling mistakes.
Yes,
These
sir.
are all called as syntax and grammar mistakes. Syntax and grammar mistakes.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the solution for this? This is a problem, then what is the solution for this? Solution is nothing but disk checking. Disk checking is nothing but checking code from top to bottom. Checking
Yeah.
code from top to bottom.
Top to bottom.
Checking every line of code.
Yes,
Every
sir.
line of
Line
code
of code.
from top to bottom.
Yes, sir.
That is the only solution. Naturally, everybody will do this. Is it not?
Yeah.
Naturally,
Yes.
everybody will do this job.
Yes,
Next,
sir.
this is not much bothered because obviously we will check line by line. If you are good in
Yes.
syntax and grammar, then you can easily overcome that. You're missing comma. Let me put like this. And then next one is runtime errors. This is our subject matter actually. Runtime errors. Okay.
Runtime errors.
The second category is runtime errors. So these are detected by JVM.
Yes, sir. Java virtual.
JVM, Java Virtual Machine detects.
Yes.
When during the execution of the program.
Execution. Runtime. Yeah. Execution of the
Execution of
program.
the program,
Program.
JVM will detect these kind of errors.
Yes, sir.
Whereas the other one, compiler detects it Compile time.
Compilation time.
That's why they are called as compile time errors, and these are known as runtime errors.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here here Java C role is there, whereas here JVM role is there.
Yeah.
Again, majority runtime errors we cannot deal. Okay.
Yes.
Majority runtime errors or fatal errors. Fatal, you have to use that word. Fatal errors that may crash operating system. Okay, that
Yes,
may
sir.
crash OS.
Yes, sir.
No solution for them. No solution for that. For
For
such
that.
errors. Let OS decide. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes it is beyond the capacity of OS. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let OS
Yes, sir.
decide. Maybe at times beyond the capacity of OS. Okay. So I am telling majority, but what about minority? Few,
Yes, sir.
right? So very few errors
Yeah.
are there. That is our concerned subject.
Yes.
Very few errors we can deal as a programmer. Okay,
Yes, sir.
they are known as exceptions. Now you got the word.
Yes, sir.
They are known as
Known as
exceptions. Now we got that word, exceptions. So what
yes,
are
sir.
exceptions? The errors which a programmer can
Few
deal.
others we can deal as a programmer.
They are very few in number. Okay,
Yes, sir.
those few errors which a programmer can deal can be called as exceptions. Now you can define what is error,
Exception.
what is error, what is
Yes, sir.
exception. We will define now.
Yes, sir.
An error is an abnormal event.
Yes, sir.
Is an abnormal event.
Abnormal event.
An error is an abnormal event that a programmer cannot deal. Okay,
Yeah. Yes, sir.
cannot deal.
Yeah.
And then what is an exception? Slight difference. See,
Few errors.
an exception is also an error. First, you have to say similarity. An
Yeah.
exception
Is also
is
an error.
also an error,
Error.
is also an abnormal event, otherwise, is also an abnormal event
Yeah.
that can be dealt by a programmer.
Yes, sir.
That can be dealt by a programmer. That is the difference. Both are abnormal, but exception is also an abnormal event that can be dealt by a
D,
programmer
sir.
by using
Yeah.
what?
Exception can be dealt by a programmer. Yes, sir.
Program
You have written
identifiers.
del, so that's why I literally.
What is that?
Yeah. Okay, sir.
What is that?
Actually, here you have written deal instead of dealt in a
Where?
programmer cannot deal in first. You have written right, sir,
Yeah.
in
An
error,
error is an
and
abnormal event that a
exception you have
programmer
written
cannot
here
deal.
that a programmer cannot. Yeah,
See, an error is
you
an
have written.
abnormal.
Okay,
Wait,
okay,
wait,
okay.
wait. An error is an abnormal event that a programmer cannot deal. Okay.
Yes.
There is no solution for that. But an
Actually, you
exception
have
is
written
also,
here. Yeah.
it is also abnormal event, but programmer can
Yes.
deal that
Yes.
by using exception handlers. Both are
You have
abnormal
written.
events. Both are
Yes.
abnormal events,
D3.
but
Yeah.
both are abnormal events, but for an exception,
Yes.
there is a solution. Programmer can deal
Yes.
that.
Yeah.
It cannot go as that much big problem for a programmer. But
Yes, sir.
errors, programmer has no solution. Let OS decide. Already I told you, na? So
Yeah.
majority runtime errors, they are all errors, fatal errors
Yes, sir.
beyond tolerance limit. Let OS
Yes,
decide.
sir.
Sometimes system may crash. Okay,
Yes.
majority.
Yeah.
But very few errors are there which a programmer can deal. These are also abnormal, but can be dealt by a programmer by using exception handlers. Okay.
Yes.
So, what are those exception handlers? We will see soon. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, a lot of theory is there in the beginning. Let me complete the theory portion first of all,
Okay, sir.
and then talking about logical errors. Logical errors.
Errors.
So, what are logical errors? These errors are neither detected by the compiler nor by the JVM. Okay.
JVM.
See,
Yes, sir.
first type is compile time errors, which a compiler can detect. The second type is runtime
Yes, sir.
errors, which JVM can detect. Of course, majority we cannot deal as a programmer. We cannot deal, and we can leave them
Yes,
as
sir.
error, and they are all fatal errors. At times, operating system can crash as well, but very few errors which a programmer can deal can be called as exceptions, right?
Right.
And then the third category is
Yes, sir.
logical errors. These are neither detected by compiler nor by JVM.
Not
Okay?
detect JVM.
Both of them
Yes,
cannot
sir.
detect that. Your program will run normally, but you will get a wrong output
Yes.
at the end of the day. Okay? So these are
Yes.
neither detected by
By the
compiler
compiler,
nor by.
not by the or JVM.
These are mainly due to the problem in formula. I will discuss what is that. These are mainly due to the problem in problem with formula. Problem with formula.
Formulas.
Sometimes
Yes, sir.
we put some formulas, right? If the formula is
Yes, sir.
wrong, the logical error is going to take place. Okay.
Yes.
See,
Yeah.
for example, what is the formula for simple interest?
Yes, sir. It was
PTR by 100,
PTR
right?
by
100. But if
yeah.
you write in
Yes,
code,
sir.
if you write PTR by 10, both
Huh.
will give output. Yes or
It's
no?
wrong.
This will also yield to some
Yeah, but
output.
it will.
Here you get output. Here also
Yes, sir.
it won't show any error to you.
Yes.
Here also you will get some output. But what is the
Yes, sir.
difference? What is the difference?
Yeah.
Here you get desired
In
output.
it,
Desired
here they
output.
will get the correct.
You get a
Yes.
desired output.
Desired out.
Whereas here,
Yeah.
undesired output we are going to
Wrong
get.
output.
Wrong output.
Yes.
That is the problem. So what is the solution again? What is the solution? Manual checking. You can check formulas manually.
Programmer will
Compare
check. Yes.
compare system result solution. What about the solution? Let me talk about the solution here. So
Yes, sir.
compare system output with manual output. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, for example, in banks, they can calculate, they can count 500 rupees notes or 2000 rupees notes
Yes.
by hand so many times. And then they put in the
Yes.
machine as well.
Yes, sir.
One or two machines
Yeah.
will be there. And they will put
Yes,
on,
sir.
yeah, sometimes one or two machines will be there. So they will
Yes,
cross
sir.
check. So compare system result with manual result.
Manual. Manual. Yes.
Compare system result with manual result
Manual result.
and then decide.
Yes,
Decide
sir.
logical error is there or not. Got it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Because your program is giving output as say for example 50, but the correct output is
Yeah.
100. You can check the
Yes.
formula, no? 100 times you
Yes.
are calculating manually, mathematically, you are getting 50 as the output, but system is giving
Yes.
100. What does it mean?
100.
Maybe some formula may be wrong in the
Yes, sir.
coding, right? You can cross
Yes,
check
sir.
and correct that formula.
Yeah.
So these are the three types. First and the
Yes, sir.
third, we never discuss again because already we are doing at times we miss semicolon, spelling mistakes. So many times we have done, right?
Yes.
They are
Yes,
all
sir.
compile time errors. Simple solution.
Yes, sir.
Checking, disk
Yeah.
checking is the solution. And logical
Yes.
errors also due to formula mistakes. Of course, we are doing small formulas. But
Yeah. Yes.
really, if you put some big formula, sometimes if you are wrong in that,
Yes,
you'll
sir.
get undesired output, wrong output.
Yeah.
Okay. And the subject matter is the middle one, that is runtime errors.
Yes, sir.
In runtime errors also, majority you cannot deal. They are all fatal errors. Very few you can deal. They
Yes.
are known as exceptions. Right?
Exceptions. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So now we have to study about those exceptions.
Yes, sir.
So we will go with, and there is one more entry
Exception.
question. Let me discuss. What are
Okay, sir.
the differences between checked exceptions and unchecked exceptions? Checked
Sir, one
versus,
minute.
yeah,
Yeah, actually, in packages we haven't discussed about interview questions, right?
yeah,
I
yeah,
think
I will
so.
discuss. Yeah, I will
Yes, sir.
discuss. No problem,
I
I will
too forgot
discuss.
it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, no
By
problem.
combining these two after completion of exception
Yeah,
handling,
sure.
we can discuss both at
Yeah,
a
yeah,
time,
yeah,
sir.
sure. You can remind me.
Okay, sir.
You would have reminded
Yeah.
me at the beginning itself. I would have discussed it.
I just
Yeah,
forgotten, sir. Something has
okay.
wrong. That's why, yeah.
No problem. They are
Anyhow.
just interview questions. Already we discussed it, but there
Or
are
else you
some
can send me
typical
the notes, sir. I will go through it once
notes
and
I
then
sent.
you
I
will.
think notes I sent. I think packages I shared with you. I think packages.
Actually, I'm taking the screenshots of everything of your class and I just used to write it in my notes.
Yeah,
That's why
packages
I
I
didn't
forgot.
try.
It seems I forgot sending you packages. Ah, yeah, right. True, I
Yes,
think.
sir.
Interface I sent. Up to interface I sent.
Yeah.
Is
Yes,
it
sir. Up
not?
to interfaces we have. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Packages I forgot sending you. No, no, I sent you. Here it is. Access control and
You
packages.
have yeah, in okay, sir. I will go through it once
It is
by
there.
today.
You have not checked that?
Okay, sir. I didn't
Here it
saw it
is.
actually
Yeah.
yesterday.
Access control and packages. I sent you.
Yeah, yeah, yes, sir. You have sent.
Okay. You study them, but
Today
if any
I,
leftovers are there, we will complete. Okay.
okay, sir. Today I will
Right.
go through it. Okay, sir.
Checked versus unchecked exceptions.
Okay, sir.
Is an entry question. What are checked exceptions and what are unchecked
Unchecked
exceptions?
exceptions.
So those exceptions which are detected during compilation of the program are known as checked exceptions.
Okay.
Exceptions detected
Detect.
by the compiler
Yes, sir.
during compilation
Yeah. Compilation time.
or checked
Yes.
exceptions. The other one you can answer. Exceptions
Unchecked
detected by
exception.
the JVM during execution.
JVM during
During
runtime
execution
or
can be called as
unchecked.
by the JVM, not compiler. This one by the JVM
JVM during runtime.
during execution time. Execution means run only.
Yes, sir.
Execution time or unchecked
Runtime.
exceptions.
Yes,
Unchecked.
unchecked.
Because checked means we will correct. No, we will during compile time. If you get any problem, what I naturally
Yeah,
do, whether
we
where I
used
missed,
to go through again and write
where
the
I missed
exact
semicolon, where
term.
I missed comma, where I missed
Yes.
braces, we cross check and correct
Yes.
that. Very simple.
Yes.
But unchecked, no. During execute,
We are
you cannot check them.
JVM.
We have to find some solution for
Yes,
that.
sir.
We'll see that. So that is about
Yes, sir.
this is yet another entry question. There are so many entry questions from here onwards.
Yes, sir.
And then I told you how to deal an exception by using exception handler. I told you, right? So what are the exception handlers?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What are the exception handlers available? So first one, try. It's a keyword and also exception handler. Next one, catch. Next one, throw. Next
Try
one,
catch. True.
throws.
True.
Finally, finally. These are all called as exception handlers. Okay, we have to
Exception
study.
handlers.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
these are all keywords and also exception handlers. We'll
Handlers,
study one.
sir.
We'll study one by one. And
Yes,
before
sir.
that, you should know the exception class hierarchy. One more entry question. Exception class hierarchy. What is the exception class hierarchy?
Hierarchy.
So there is a class called as throwable. Throwable
True.
class. In throwable class, there are a couple of classes. One is error. The other one is exception. Got it?
Exception. Yes, sir.
Exception and error are couple of classes present in throwable class. Okay,
Yes,
subclasses.
sir.
Error and exception are subclasses for throwable class. And one more thing is that throwable class is present in this throwable class is present in lang package. So the order is like this.
Sir.
Lang package. Lang is the name of the package. Okay.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So in lang package there is throwable class.
Throwable.
This is package, you know,
Yes, sir.
predefined package, right? We need not import
Yes,
that. By
sir.
default, it will be. And in interview, somebody may ask you, what is the super class for
Okay.
error and exception? They may ask you, what is the super class?
Okay. Throwable. Throwable, sir.
Super class for error and
Error and exception.
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 So error and exception are subclasses for throwable class. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So that is also an entry question. And inside exception, the list is very big. We will write all the subclasses. There are so many subclasses because error we can leave. We
Correct, sir.
cannot deal with error. We cannot deal with
Yes, sir.
error. That's why I'm leaving that. Subclasses
Yeah.
of exception. What are the subclasses of exception? We'll see. There are so many. That is our subject matter we have to discuss. One is arithmetic exception. We will write programs on all these things like arithmetic exception, array index out of bounds exception.
Yes, sir.
But we should be careful while writing. See, arithmetic exception, A capital letter, E capital letter.
Yeah, both are capital, sir.
Yeah, because it is a combination of two different words, isn't it?
Okay.
And every word
Yes,
should
sir.
start with a capital letter. Here
Yes,
also, if you
sir.
have a close look, array
Yeah.
index out
Every word
of,
is yes, sir. Every
because
word is
these are
started by
all
capital.
because these are
Subclasses of
all
X.
classes. Class always starts with capital letter. If it is a combination of
Yes, sir.
words, every word should start with a capital letter.
Capital.
Next, string index out of bounds exception. Illegal access exception. You will get some point of time. You see all these things.
Okay.
Null pointer exception. We will study each and
Yes, sir.
everything. Number format exception. And then class not found exception.
These all we have to keep in mind as
We
well.
have
Yes, sir.
to write applications on these things. File not
Yeah,
found
yes,
exception.
sir.
File not found
Found exception.
exception. And then interrupted exception we will see in threads. This here we will
Okay,
not
sir.
get. In threads we will get that.
Okay, sir.
Interrupted.
Sir, in between file not and found exception, is there any space or just you, by mistake you have?
No, by mistake. By mistake.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Interrupted
Yes, sir.
exception.
Exception.
Like that. So many are there. The list is very big.
Yeah.
Null pointer. Yeah. No such method is also there. Like that.
Yes.
So we will study these things. These are all subclasses for exception. And one
Exception.
more is there, IO exception is also there. IO exception.
Okay.
We used that
Yes, sir.
in streams concept.
Yeah.
I told you, blindly
Yes, sir.
you can write the throws IO exception or exception.
Yeah.
Correct? So exception is superclass for IO exception. Okay, that's all about that. And then
Yes.
we will start from try block. First of all, what are these handlers? Okay, we'll see that
Yes,
first of
sir.
all. Try. What is that try block? It's a keyword and also you can call
Keyword
it as a
and
keyword.
close. Yeah.
You can call it a
Exception handler.
block. You can call it as class, or you can also call it as exception handler. These many words you can use
Handler.
for that, right? The syntax is very simple. You put some code inside. That is how you write try block. So
Okay.
why should we write try block? See, I can tell you, like I can compare this with real time things happening around. Like if somebody is going on a two-wheeler,
Okay.
he can take care of his head by putting helmet. If he is going on a
Yeah.
car, the same person can do in another way by putting a seat belt, isn't it? If
Yes,
somebody
sir.
is going in rain, he naturally carries umbrella, or in hot sun,
Yes.
he will carry umbrella, is it not?
Yes.
So these are all simple things based on the situation we will do, right? So here
Yes,
also,
sir.
whenever you are having doubt in code,
We used
when you
to
are
use
doing some
try.
code, whenever you are having some, I mean, half-hearted things will be there. You are having
Okay.
some doubts. You are not sure whether
Yes, sir.
whether what you are doing is correct or not. Then you can put such code inside try block. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The doubted
Yeah.
code you can put the doubted code, half-hearted code, right?
Yes, sir.
You can put inside try block.
Try.
So that I told you now, while moving on a car, the situation is different. What kind of
Yeah.
precaution we take, that is different. While going on a two-wheeler, the kind of precaution you are going to take is different. While walking,
Yes, sir.
anybody, the kind of precaution they take is different again,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So here also, it depends upon your code. Sometimes you may be dealing with division by zero like things. See, sometimes you may be dealing, with. See, I'll give a small example here. Int x equals 42. Int y is equal to x
Two.
by
Two.
x minus. What is the output for this? Tell me. If I write like this, if I say system dot out dot print
Undefined, sir. We'll get
undefined,
undefined.
is it not? Division by
Yeah.
zero we cannot do, isn't it?
Yes.
That is a problem.
Yes.
That is not an error, but an exception. So
Yes,
you
sir.
are, what kind of things are going to happen. This kind of thing
Yeah.
leads to arithmetic exception. You are dealing with simple arithmetics here, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So you call it as, the kind of problem, right? And
Yes. Yeah.
similarly, otherwise, sometimes see the kind of problem you are going to get. You have a string in hand like this.
Yeah.
Now you are going to display str dot, we have done this before, char act is a method.
Yeah.
I told you
Character
during
method.
strings, I told you this. Char act
Yeah.
is a
Yes.
predefined method. It finds the
Yeah.
character present at required position. If I say
Yeah.
0, you can say the output for that correctly.
Yes.
0 position,
Yeah.
what is there?
B is there.
If I write 1,
A.
if I write 2,
T.
if I write 3, that is not an error but exception,
Nothing.
right?
Yeah.
That
Yes,
is
sir.
called as string index out of bounds exception. Got it?
Yes, sir. String index bound.
Including of, O also capital letter, right?
Yes, sir. Everything is of
Yeah.
capital here.
So,
Yeah.
that's why I compared. If you are moving on car, the kind of problem is
Yes.
different. What is the problem here?
Yes.
Here, what is the problem?
Arithmetic exception we
Uh,
will.
Something like if moving in a car, the problem is different. If moving on a two-wheeler, the problem is different, right?
String index out of
Like
bounds
that, like
exception.
that.
Yes.
It depends upon your snippet of code. Here, the snippet of code is different when compared with here.
Yes.
Otherwise, sometimes sometimes you will be dealing with arrays. Arrays, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
You may be dealing with arrays like this. Now tell me, if I am attempting to display the element present in zero location, what is the output? If I put zero, what is the output?
30, sir.
If I put one, what is the output?
40.
If I put two,
50.
if I put three, it leads to exception again, right?
Exception.
That is
Yes.
called as array index out of bounds exception. Is it not?
Array indexed out of bounds exception.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
that's it. That's
Yeah.
why I compared with a journey. So when a journey is in car, the kind of precaution is different. The
Yeah.
driving, journey on a
Two-wheeler.
two-wheeler, the kind of precaution is different.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Walking, the kind of precaution is different again,
It's
right?
different. Yes.
So
Yeah.
that's why we are having different scenarios, different classes we are going to deal for that
Yes.
matter. So this kind of half-hearted code you are going to put inside try block.
Try method.
Okay,
Yeah. Try
got it?
handler. Yes.
Like that.
Yes, sir.
And then, so whenever you are having doubt, that code you are going to put inside try block.
Try.
Then if really that kind of scenario is going to come, automatically the next statement, this cannot be displayed. Yes or no?
Yes. Yeah.
Even here, this is going wrong. Here itself,
Yes, sir.
where wrong statement is present. This is nothing wrong. For example, this statement is correct, but where is wrong?
Yes.
Second line. This is
Second line. Yeah.
here is an exception. So after
Yes.
exception, whatever code you write, it won't be executed. Got it?
Yes, sir.
In a similar way, here this code is okay, but here something went wrong. So after
Yes.
this, if any lines of code are there, it won't get executed. Okay, I lost. You please reconnect.